How to book Grab taxi in advance in the Philippines. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book Grab taxi in advance in the Philippines. To get started, just open your Grab application on your mobile phone. Now tap on the All option. Then go to the Transport. Here, tap on the Car. Now it's time to set your location. Let me give you more details about the booking process. Once you've set your location, you can enter the desired date and time. Then select Just Grab. Review the details of your booking, including the pickup and drop-off locations, date and time. Ensure that the information is correct. After that, tap Schedule. Just Grab to confirm your ride. Your driver's details will be sent to you when it's time for your scheduled ride. You will receive a confirmation notification that your advance booking has been accepted. You should also receive a notification when your ride is on the way. This is how you can book Grab taxi in advance in the Philippines. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.